Hi guys, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host, and I got some really cool happy mail in the mail this week and I wanted to share it with you guys. All right, are you ready? Oh my goodness. Check out all of this yarn. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can zoom out a little bit so you can see it all. Okay, look at this. Okay, so I had some of it fall out. Now I already opened it up with my scissors so that it wouldn't make as much noise, and I'm just going to be taking out each one of these yarns here, and then we'll talk about them. Okay. This is my first time opening them, my first time touching them, and they feel really nice, super soft, just how I remember them. So I don't know if you recognize these, but if you have been with me for a while, you probably do. This is a yarn by Gu'Chet yarns. You see that? Yeah. So Gu'Chet is a really nice yarn company out of South Daytona Beach, Florida, and I absolutely love the woman who runs Gu'Chet yarns. Her name is Melissa, and she sent me some happy mail, including all of these new colors of their mod yarn. Okay, so I just wanted to talk a little bit about the mod yarn. I don't know if you can tell, I mean, hopefully you can. It's got this really nice shine to it. It's like a metallic shine. And I have worked with the burgundy and the gray and the pink myself, and I absolutely adore it. I think this is great yarn. It's also a great price. If you want to shop Gu'Chet, I will put a link in the description for you, okay? So you can access their website just fine. So these are some new colors that they have though, and Melissa wanted to share it with me and sponsor a giveaway for my subscribers by sending me some yarn. So I am so excited to show you this amazing yarn. So this is royal blue, and it is a weight 3. Just want to show you that. I personally notice that this works up like a 4. But it definitely is a weight 3. I don't want to give any kind of false impressions. That's baby right now. He's playing with the plastic. He really likes plastic. Greg just took it away. So let me tell you about the specs here. So we've got a 3.5 ounce balls, which is 100 grams, are 342 yards, are 312 meters. This is 43% polyester and 57% acrylic. Again, it is a 3 weight. I personally use an eye hook with this, and I think it's great. Now, I've never worked with these colors, but so I'm trying to remember from memory, and I might not remember each name, but I hope that I get them all right. So this is their royal blue. This is their yellow, okay? And just so you know, before they do have cream and they have gold, but they did not have a yellow yet. This is their fuchsia, okay? So this is a nice bright pink. They also have like a bubblegum pink and a burgundy, which is closer to red. So this is teal, okay? It's nice, really dark teal green. I absolutely adore this. It's almost like a pine color, or any kind of coniferous forest. You know how like cypress, it's almost like it's blue. So it reminds me of that. And if you want to go with the forest, you can always get this color too, which is lime. This is the outside of a lime, not lime green like the super bright lime green. You could get these two and then also add a brown, because they do have a brown, and that would just look stunning together if you're wanting to recreate like a pine forest vibe. Let me go ahead and put this under here like that. Now this, I believe it's brick red. It might be red though. This one was the one that I could not tell, and again, I'm color challenged. I actually, let me kind of explain that a little bit more. I have color deficiency. It's like color blindness, but it's not all the way. And I am the red green, like it's like being red green colorblind. It really is. Only I have issues with the reds. The greens I can see pretty well, but the reds are a little bit more difficult for me. So when I see red, orange, and dark red, and even some pinks, it can be difficult for me to tell the difference between them. But just know that I think that this is brick red. It's absolutely stunning though, and it is a bright red, definitely. So this one, I can't remember the color of this one, but it's a really nice bright purple. It is absolutely stunning. It's a little bit darker than the way it's coming up on camera. Let's see if I can change the lighting here to make that come up a little bit more. Because see, all of the other ones are coming up perfectly. Ah, there we go. Okay. I think that I just wasn't seeing it very well through there. But yeah, it's very dark purple. Oh, I know what it's called. It's called royal purple, I think. I think it's called royal purple. But we've got this one, and then, oh, look at this lavender. That is so beautiful. And I've always thought that lavender and teal look really good together. But obviously, there are so many color combinations here that you could put together, you know. It's just a beautiful set, and these are all their new colors in this metallic yarn. Isn't that amazing? So Gu'Chet said, you know, hey, if, you know, we're sending this to you so you can host a giveaway with it. So, okay, let's get a box out. Okay, so right here, I have a nice big, large priority mail box. And I already have this red canvas bag in there because I wanted to talk about bright colors. And these yarns are definitely bright. So I'm going to put these yarn in this package here for you guys, because I am about to show you the rest of the things that I am putting in this giveaway. Alrighty, so I just happen to have some other Gu'Chet yarn that I had not worked with yet. Now I had intended to. So this is not something that I don't like. It's just something that I intended to work with and then I never got around to it. And I would rather give it to someone who might be able to start a project out of it. So this is called Corin, and it is absolutely so soft. So this is a 3-weight, and let me see if I can, yeah, it's crazy soft. It's 60% silk and 30% cashmere, with 10% acrylic, and this is also a size 3 weight. So this one came in a set when I had a mystery box that I ordered, and that set included this color green, this more lime colored green, this beautiful mint green, and then this beautiful like coral / salmon color that all just work together. Don't those work together well? So I am going to put those in here. Okay, so we've got that. I also wanted to add another bright colored yarn. This is Noro, okay? Made in Japan. It's a tradition for me to add Noro to my giveaways. So you guys are gonna get a Noro, and then you are also going to get this project book. It's just a field book. It's just a lined notebook, but I like to keep these in my project bags. So I'm going to add this in here. In fact, I'm going to put this here on the bottom so it'll fit better. So I'm going to do a little bit of rearranging, but that doesn't mean this stuff isn't going to all be in there, okay? So I've got this in here, and I just so happen to have so look at this. We've got a nice knit crate pouch. Now this is pretty small for an Oceans pouch, but that's okay. Inside of here, what I have placed are a set of crochet hooks that, believe it or not, Gu'Chet sent to me in another mystery box. I just, you know, I have the crochet hooks that I like, and this is a full set. They've got, let's see, I see this I hook. See if it goes up higher. This is a J hook. See, is this a K? Okay, no, we've got I through J at least, And then the smallest one that I can see is a C hook. So it is definitely between C through J, and they all fit in this NicheCraft pouch. I also have a pair of snips. These are scissors. Here, make sure you keep a hold of this protective cover. And so I'm going to go ahead and zip those up to go with your book. I'm including a couple of these sparkly pins. I love them. We've got a rainbow one and a purple one. And what else did I put together here? So we've got a little organza bag with diaper pin, oopsies, with diaper pin stitch markers here. And I don't know if you guys can see, but here at the end, boy, this one just wants to escape. It's like, no, not me, I'm not ready. So I have not only a plastic darning needle, I personally love plastic darning needles, but I also have 3 metal darning needles of different sizes so that you can weave in your ends with those. Put those in there. I also have one of those row counters. I love these. You turn it on by hitting the big button. You clear it by holding down on the small button. And now if you want to count rows, you just push the big button every time you come to the end of the row. And to clear it out, you just hit that small button. There you go. So I am going to put that in the NicheCraft pouch here. I also got a measuring tape. Now these are the kinds that are really, really good for measuring your body size, okay? Because they go around there. I got some really nice bright colored buttons for you guys. I'm going to just go ahead and put this in a little bit loose here. I love these keychains, guys. I don't think you're going to ever see a giveaway without these keychains in there. So got that, putting those in there. What else do I have here? So I have something really special I'm about to show you, but I wanted to show you this first. So this is something that I got from Lion Brand. I picked up a few when I made an order for them. It is a color wheel, and given that you have all these really nice colors, I figured that now this is in the wrapping paper, so you're gonna have to kind of see it through this, but this gives you all sorts of information about how to put different colors together. It's really helpful, whether you use it for a project in here or you use it for another project. It's really helpful. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this to the side. So yeah, let's get back to the yarn. So I have a nice soft Noro yarn here. Of course, that's Japanese yarn. I showed you this beautiful Corin yarn, also from Gu'Chet. I wanted to include this hank because I only had one left of it. And this is called Cascade Microflores Paints, 80% alpaca, 20% nylon. It is chain spun, okay? Or it's either chain, no, it's not chain spun. It's this kind of, it's spun in a way where it's like a 2-ply, like that. Anyway, I absolutely love this. This is in the color Autumn, and it says hand wash cool, lay flat to dry, and so that you can take care of your yarn. I also have this soak. This is really great for taking care of your yarn. I only had one extra one. In fact, you know what? I think I have a second one here. So this one is in the color Celebration, and this one is in the color Fig, or in the scent Fig. This is just something that you can follow the directions. It's on the back here, and it'll help you take care of any kind of wool that you have, and that will go with this Cascade and just about anything. You know what? I like to wash almost all of my projects with that. Okay, so here's that special thing that I wanted to add. I am so excited about showing you these. Now this is a exclusive product, but I wonder if you can see these here real well. Do you see these? It's like little autumn trees and there are stitch markers. Now these claw clips, these are 21 millimeters, so it should fit up to size 6 yarn, okay? And I am saying that these are special because guess who made them? That's right, I did. I made these stitch markers. Isn't that awesome? I'm so proud of myself for learning how to make stitch markers, and I have a whole bunch of stitch markers that are about to be in my Etsy shop, so make certain that if you want to get any stitch markers that are handmade by me, that you can check out my Etsy shop. Now, I only have one set of these, and I'm putting these in this giveaway, okay? But I have a whole lot of other ones. I'm gonna nestle this in between the Noro and this Cascade yarn. And let's see if I can fit anything else in here. I just simply don't have anything else. Oh, well, here, I found one thing. It's a sticker. I'm gonna reach over here to get this. Okay, so we have this sticker. It says "Want to hook up?" Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna put the color wheel in here, and then I can pack this up and mail it to anybody either in the US or Canada. So, do you want to hear about the terms of this giveaway? I'm so excited. Okay, so the terms of this giveaway are simple. This giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube in any way. It is hosted by me and Gu'Chet yarn. And if you want to find out more about Gu'Chet, you can look at that link in the description. So some of this was given to me free from Gu'Chet for this giveaway. The rest of it was purchased by me or made by me for this giveaway, all right? So here's how you enter. You must be in the US or Canada to enter. You must like this video and be a subscriber to the channel. Last, all you have to do is leave a comment back to this video. And it can be about anything you want. Maybe you want to comment on some of the items in the giveaway. Maybe you want to give me some tips on different kinds of crochet stitch markers. Maybe you want to let me know of other things that you'd like to see in my giveaways. This is more of a mini size giveaway, but it does have a whole lot of those things that I like to put in all of them. Again, it's got a Noro in it. It's got a whole lot of really nice special extras, and I mean, really, that stitch marker set that I made, I'm so proud of it. So it's very special for me specifically to be able to give that to you guys. So I'm going to be picking a winner of this giveaway by random comment picker 10 days from now. All you have to do is make sure that you have a comment on this video in order to qualify, and the comment has to be nice, okay? If you say something mean, then I'll probably delete it and you won't qualify anyway. It's just got to be something nice. And once I pick a winner, all you have to do is send me an email with your mailing address, and I will mail this out to you next day, okay? Next day after you send me a email. And if the winner does not claim their giveaway prize within 5 days of me announcing the winner, I'm gonna go ahead and have to pick another winner from the comments to this video, okay? So that said, hopefully you know everything you need to know to enter. This is a really, really great giveaway. I know it's not as big as my usual ones, but I'll have another really big one coming up on September 1st. So I will see you soon in another video. Thank you so much for watching this to the end. And again, those stitch markers are going to be in my shop by the end of the day on Monday the 29th. So be sure to check that out. Thanks so much, and I will see you soon with another video.